Hey guys, it's Extreme 3D, and today I've got a new little project. This will have some 3D printing in it, but I'll get into that in a little bit. So, this is going to be a little air conditioner, a little DIY air conditioner. So here I have this cheap styrofoam cooler that I bought at a gas station for like $5. You can unclip it and take the top off. It's kind of do it with one hand, but there's the top, the lid. You can see it's pretty big, pretty spacious. So I've planned to make a little air conditioner, kind of. Wow, this is messy. I apologize for that. But anyways, I just went to Home Depot, got some PVC pipe. I got four 2-foot, 1.5 inch diameter PVC pipes. I think it was 1.5 inches for the diameter of the PVC pipe. But I know for a fact that this is 2 feet, and I got 4 of them because I want to be able to have a 4-foot length on this. So the plan is take these. What you do is I'm gonna make a hole over here and over here. These will go all the way through it so that it's sticking out like that. And then I'm gonna leave a little gap at the bottom, just like this. And then I'm gonna cut 2 holes for these 2 fans that are old water cooling fans that I don't use with my PC anymore. Those are gonna go like right there, blow air inside the cooler. The 3D printed part is gonna be right over here. I'm gonna have these wires come to the side, just like this. I'm gonna make a little box that's 3D printed to wire this up with a switch and a plug for the power source. And then yeah, that's how that's gonna work. So I'll have fans there, like this, blowing in air. And then I'll have 2 pipes, one about here, and then the other about there. And they'll go all the way down, and then I'm going to take either ice packs or ice cubes and put them inside. I'm going to try to make a little shelf, like in between. So let me show you what I mean. I'm thinking of having, just get this off. God, this is so hard. Okay. So I'm thinking of having like a shelf, like quarter from the bottom, and have it kind of going here with grating and stuff, and put like ice cubes on it, and have holes for the tubes to go past it. So then when the fans are blowing in, they have to go through the ice, and then maybe we'll have some more ice at the bottom, and then they have to go past that ice and then up and out of the tube, so the air will be very cool. So that is part of the plan, and there are a couple things that I wanted. So first thing, I wanted to have adjustable tubes. So this is what I could use. I could use this, but this is kind of short, and I could have it blow onto my bed if I wanted, but I don't know if I want to do that. And I think I will end up using ice packs for this just because it's much easier to deal with after the ice is melted. If I were using ice cubes, it would just melt and I'd have to pour it all out. But if I use ice packs, then I can just put them back in the freezer. We're good to go. The only issue is just the heat transfer and stuff. The air may not get as cold as I want it to. So that's one thing. The other thing is I also wanted to have this I wanted this to be like 4 feet tall, like this, because I wanted to have it next to my PC, kind of, so I could like fit it here, and when I'm working at my desk, I could have it blowing cool air onto onto this area where I sit, so that I feel nice and cold. So that's the other plan. So I also wanted this to be adjustable. I have these PVC pipes, these connectors here, and then I have 90-degree corner thingies, and these are just to direct the air out. So this is just the start of the project. I'm going to work on this more in the next couple of days. I just finished up the video about the fan for my golf stroller thing. You should check it out. Pretty cool. I used this old project in the video. I made this last summer, maybe 2 summers ago or something, kind of a throwback, but still cool project. Check out that video too. And I will keep you guys updated with this DIY air conditioner project. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.